So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on X on your keyboard. You're now going to be seeing all the Xbox services right here. You want to stop all the Xbox services. So we're going to click on the first one, Xbox Accessory Management Service. And now this will come up. You're going to make the startup type manual and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. You want to repeat this for the other ones as well. So for the second one, Xbox Live Auth Manager, you're going to double click on it, startup type on manual, and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And you want to repeat that for the other Xbox services as well. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the code, which will be down below in the description. So you just want to highlight the code, and then do Ctrl-C to copy it, come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.